I'm Zach and this is Desmond.
Hey! You goober.
I'm Desmond and this is Mom.
I'm Dad.
Ready?
We're gonna watch the sounds of the planets and the universe and stuff like that.
Including moons and the sun. This is our third try trying to make a video. By the way, after every planet, we have to comment.
Deal. After every planet, well,
it sounds like me trying to blow a pillow. You know what that sounds like?
wait, was that it?
Yeah. It sounds like me when I'm trying to. It sounds like me trying to push air back with my own air. Or with my own breath.
Was that Mercury?
Yeah, what does it sound like?
Something from an Aliens movie.
Predator?
Yeah, I guess you could say that.
Ready?
Go, hit me up. Beaters! Okay, that sounds like something out of a scary movie. Maybe an Alfred Hitchcock kind of movie.
I think there's people with horns on this. No, actually not horns, tubas. This place is a tuba. Floating tuba.
Oh wait, pause it. This is totally fake. There ain't no way. That's not real, is it?
Yes.
What? Oh my gosh. Did I just get owned?
You got roasted.
I got roasted. Alright.
You know how?
How?
Because last night I put toasters on your feet.
But I was asleep. How would I know that there was roasted on my feet?
Because you're dreaming of you're dancing with a whole bunch of pineapples and you had a pineapple, those sharp spiky pineapple heads.
I ate them all.
And you ate them.
Alright, let's do this. Earth.
Why does this sound like everybody on Earth is trying to send a rocket ship? Everybody on Earth built a rocket ship and just sent it to space.
That is actually what it sounds like. I'm not gonna lie. That one was kind of weird.
Don't worry. It's gonna do something. No, no! It died. What percentage is stayed on? I have no clue. Why does this sound like I just went to the graveyard and I dug up a grave and I saw a toilet and the toilet had chicken in it. Why does that sound like that sounds like me when I get a can? That sounds like me when I'm trying to that sounds like me when I'm arguing. And I scream. What's that sound like?
Sounds terrible.
It sounds like an alien who's like choking, and then he's like, I'm gonna die. It's a Jupiter.
That's kind of creepy. Sounds like a swamp.
Ew, why does this sound like a messed up nightmare robot that just came into a room? It was you open up
Aliens.
No, you open up your,
Aliens.
You open up
Every one of these sounds
Getting
reminds me of an alien.
I think that's
Aliens. Aliens. Aliens.
Saturn doesn't
There's an
sound
alien right there. See it?
That's alien.
It's a freaking alien.
No, does Saturn won't sound like an alien.
I bet it will.
Io.
Or is that?
Io, the disgusting pizza. This is my pizza. This is somebody trying to make
I blew
pizza
something out of my nose that
garbage.
looks like that.
Why does that look like a booger?
That's what I'm saying.
Somebody rolled
It's
up
a
a
booger.
ball with a booger and was like playing dodgeball and he threw it, and then the other guy got his nose, opened it up, and sucked it all up. Callisto. Ew.
Callisto, Jupiter's moon.
It just sounds like
Pretty boring.
That's what.
A whole lot of nothing going on there. Would you look at that?
This.
Would
not
you? No. Would you just look at it? Just look at it.
What if we placed a?
Amathea.
What if we place like a?
What the hell?
That's a turd.
That looks like a shoe.
Or
You said a turd? No, that like a turd that looks like a shoe, or a shoe that looks like a
chicken
turd.
nugget with dents in it.
That's a nasty chicken nugget. I wouldn't eat it. Menace.
Menace, who cares? That sounds like a UFO. I'm not lying. That sounds like a UFO. you didn't even scare me.
Yeah, I did.
That's weird. You got me. Yeah, you
Oh God, you got me. You totally got me. Let me see if I can read that backwards. Himalaya.
did. That sounds like two UFOs.
That looks like
It
a
just
chicken egg.
exploded, or
There's like something that you would have drawn when you were in kindergarten.
I didn't draw that. I didn't draw that tiny chicken nugget. Alara.
Alara.
Hello.
Quick glance at my peripheral. I thought that said eagle.
That sounds the same. as-
Okay, really? That looks like something that you saw through your Toys R Us
Looks like
microscope.
a red dot.
Yeah, that's totally made up. That's made up. That's not even real. It's not real. That's something from your
not
SpaghettiOs.
It's
Yes, it is.
No, it's a red booger from your nose. Car.
That is X-Files theme. Did you copyright that?
Okay, that sounds. All three of those actually sound the same. Maybe because they're really close to each other or something. Saturn. Look, what does this sound like? You're gonna be creeped out about this one. What does this sound like? It's the creepiest thing ever.
If I was in... If I was in a jungle, I would run
That sounds like
as
me.
fast as I could.
Oh.
Especially if it was a jungle
Daddy,
located on
change
Saturn.
me.
What the heck? What is this? What is that, Neptune?
No.
Saturn? Pluto? Venus?
No.
What
It's but banana.
What is...
They
I
saw it, okay? Enceladus.
Enceladus.
Saturn's moon.
Quick glance, I thought that said faceless. And I was kind of scared. What the heck is that?
I don't
It's
know.
kind of got veins. You see that right there? Right there?
Ooh.
I don't know if y'all can see that. It kind of looks like
I'm gonna
veins.
eat it because it looks like a mint. Or pepper. Okay, whatever. Uranus. Oh wow, your butt.
This is one thing I love. Uranus.
This is how you. This is the wrong way to say it. Your anus. This is right.
Uranus.
Uranus. Wait, what?
Yeah, mind blown.
What is this?
Miranda.
Miranda. Oh, my daughter.
It's a chick. This right here, totally girl.
Why does it?
That is totally made up.
I'm not gonna say what it looks like.
Kind of looks like a butthole.
No, I'm not gonna
I'm
say
not
what it
gonna
looks
lie.
like. I'm not gonna say what it looks like.
No, it's okay. You can go ahead and
No,
say it.
because like this is like the top secret thing that nobody wants to know, so I'm not gonna say.
You have to say.
I'll tell you in your ear.
Okay, tell me in my ear. I promise I won't say.
It kind of looks like What if you literally said it?
No, I don't know. I don't want them to hear it though. That's not even a planet. Somebody took the Pacific Ocean and stuck it on the screen.
Like this?
Triton. I wonder if that's the sister of Titan.
Is that a hurricane?
Nah, I think it's snowing there. It's a blizzard.
It's a blizzard mixed up with a hurricane and a tornado with 50 billion black holes around it.
Pluto.
You wanna watch another video after this?
If you want, I don't care. Yeah.
We're watching the world ending, the universe ending video, which is actually kind of long. I think somebody got like 50 billion flutes.
What is that? A red desert. Guaranteed.
The sun. The
The
sun.
sun is quiet.
Listen.
You can barely hear it. You have to be quiet. Here, we get out of the way. They want to see it.
No, they want to see my head.
What? Thank
Insane.
you for watching. Not you're welcome for watching.
Yeah. Thank you for watching, Desmond.